In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media links on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap or open your Roblox account or app. In my case, I'll do it on my smartphone. You can also do it on your account on the official Roblox website. Once you're logged into your account, head over to this more option here, and then from this scroll down to settings, and as you can see, settings is here. Now under this, go to account info, and under account info you should be able to see your details. Now if you scroll down, you can see we have an option to add your social networks. Here we have provision for you to add your Facebook link, X link, YouTube link, or even Twitch, just to mention but a few. In my case, I want to go ahead and add my X link. So I'll go to my X account and then click on profile here. And now I have my link here. I'll copy it and add it. However, I can't copy it or paste it as it is because I'm only supposed to enter username for this account. So I'll just paste as it is, but I'll delete the rest and then insert at and then tap on save, and the changes will be saved directly. And now that link has been added. Now if you want to add Facebook link, you can go ahead and add following this format for each. So that's how you can add social media or social network links on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.